Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to edit privacy and data settings on Pinterest. How to edit privacy and data settings on Pinterest. The first thing you need to do is from the home menu like this, you click on the profile icon at the top right corner, click on view profile, click on edit profile, and then by the left menu here, from here you click on privacy and data. And now you can manage data that Pinterest shares with advertisers and use this to improve the ads and recommendations they show you. So you can now choose how to do it. Use info from sites you visit. If you want that, leave it checked. If you don't want it, you can uncheck it. Use of partner info. So anyone you do not want, you can check. You can check the ones you want and check the ones you do not want. And then you can also delete your data and account by clicking on delete data. You can also request for your data by clicking on start request. It depends on you. So once you're through, click on save. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.